It's a smooth kids, Hey cool kids out there, it's a smooth kids, and this is our first video ever. We're gonna put this on YouTube, and I'm so excited. And I'm so happy we finally convinced our mom and dad. And today, for our first video ever, we are going to be, drum roll please, tearing down our playhouse. So, meaning, what I mean by that, we are going to take a huge hammer and destroy our playhouse. It's going to be crazy! Okay, now we are going to be teleporting with all of our stuff on. In 3, 2, 1, now!
Whoa!
We just teleported.
We actually beat up the playhouse a little already. Cause look at this.
Let's rock this. Let's keep destroying this humongous playhouse.
Okay, let's go!
I am ready.
So Sage is ready right now.
Let's
She's
go.
got her glasses on, her helmet on.
Do I look good?
Okay,
I should start like right here. I want to break this.
Right there.
Okay, I'm gonna break this part. Ready? 3, 2, 1. It didn't break. Ready, jump. It's gonna fall on me.
That's not gonna fall. That we tried like. Oh my gosh. Say cheese.
Okay.
Okay.
It's like,
Just break something.
say all the words of
That's not a good beat.
I know. Now what should I break? Oh my gosh, I feel like this is.
Oh yeah, we already pushed it over with our dad.
It's about to fall over, literally, guys.
Well, we already pushed it over. Ah! Don't hit me.
It got all over me.
Just hit it. Show no fear.
Okay, now
Oh, it's my turn.
Jake have a turn. Let's let Jake have a turn. Okay. Go ahead and put that on.
Okay, let's put the hammer down. Okay,
I thought you were going to throw it. We are literally going to destroy this entire playhouse. This is how it looks so far. Destroyed.
Do I look good?
Yeah, I guess so. Okay, ready? Jake, where do you want to destroy?
I don't know. I'm gonna destroy these two ones out and go down on this one.
Okay, here, let me go out here, guys. Okay, ready, Jake? Ready? Go.
I got that one. Oh shit, that hurt my ears.
Ready, go.
3, 2, 1. Can't get that one.
Oh my.
Oh yeah!
Oh!
Okay, now this one.
Oh, that's gonna be hard.
It's so annoying.
I'm gonna go from this side. Okay, ready?
Now do it on that. Oh my gosh, that door's so small.
Let's see the explosion happen with the hammer.
Oh.
Guys, this is so fun.
Okay, this is
Look
like.
at all the wood. There's literally
This is
wood
like a
everywhere.
pile.
Oh, this
Or
is a
pile.
pile of junk.
All the parts we knocked off.
Look at how big it is.
Ooh, I can slam dunk like this. Yeah, slam dunk.
Oh my god! Jake just destroyed the entire thing.
I took this part off and this one.
Oh my gosh, Jake.
Yeah. Okay. windows are impossible to
So I guess it's my turn, right?
Yeah, you can paint the windows.
Great way for painting.
Yeah, look.
There's our puppy over there. Okay, so now it's my turn. I gotta get
And
mine.
it's Sage's turn.
Do it, Sage. You can do it.
Oh, my earball.
Jake.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Wait, what? Okay, she's gonna do
No,
this part
Watch
right
out.
there.
Ready?
Oh, she knocked that off. Knocked that off.
Oh no, I'm not gonna knock that.
Oh yeah, it's gonna take the whole roof
Try to
off.
destroy the entire roof.
No. No, wait, I know what part to destroy.
Sage is ready again.
Sage is ready, so. Why saying again? Okay, so let's go.
Again, because I already did it. I started to destroy this part already, but that was just like.
That's the part I.
What the?
Okay.
Sage just destroyed it though.
Oh, Sage, I think you should do this part. This part. It's like barely falling
Ready?
off. No, not right next to me.
It's gonna.
Well, okay, do it. Do it.
Wait, don't go this side. Don't.
Dad said he has to do it because
Yeah.
it's gonna
Okay,
be.
just focus right there. No, don't, not right there. No, here.
He's
Slide.
gonna throw it.
Don't walk in the dirt and all the dog poop.
gonna
Yeah, ready?
He's throwing it.
Ready?
Okay, we're ready.
Ready? Here we go.
Oh gosh.
What?
One more time.
One more time, guys.
Look out, Tyson, look out. No, look out. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my God!
What the?
Watch out for the nails.
Oh my gosh!
Big
Cut
sword.
through the middle.
That's crazy.
Oh, one more piece coming off. Look out.
I'm
Look out.
not going out that door.
Do it again! Do it again! This is crazy, right?
Ready? Get over here.
Okay.
Ready? Watch this. Ready? Here we go.
Oh! Our dad just knocked this in.
What the? What? Dad, how do you do that?
Oh my gosh. Look what he just knocked off. Okay, you guys.
So guys,
This
actually
is
our dad is gonna push it over. It may not break the whole thing, but it's gonna break most of it.
Oh my gosh,
Oh
Jake! He destroyed the entire thing.
Size?
Oh, I want a karate.
Do a karate chop.
No, I'm just gonna kick it.
I'm gonna kick it.
Because. Sit back up because you can kick it.
Okay, I wanna kick it.
No, this side won't fall off. Do this side again. Ready?
Okay.
A karate chop.
No, we're not gonna chop it. Why would I chop it?
Okay. Jake, go.
Okay, now. Remember our rule?
Yep.
Pick all this up.
We need to pick all
Watch
this
out
up.
for nails because there's lots of nails
So,
and screws.
we'll see you then.
Time lapse.
We found this humongous spider in here.
I want to kill it.
It's so scary. It's already dead, Jake.
Oh. I'll just poke it.
Ew!
Okay, now I'm never touching this.
Ew.
Hello.
Hello.
With this piece of glass hanging. It's like a piece of plastic.
Super
right
creepy.
here.
Okay, throw it. I dare you.
Oh!
Holy miss. Did the best we could do to clean up.
Yeah. No, we actually.
And I'm gonna destroy a couple of these parts, so let's go.
So
Let's do it.
Sage is gonna go destroy that piece off.
Ready? It's easier like this because because it's upwards.
Yeah.
It's easier. Ready? I'm just gonna destroy these bottom parts first.
Or this.
Okay, this is never gonna break. I can walk up it.
You can.
Oh my god!
Here, do like this.
Trying to destroy it. Okay. Oh yeah, do upward. Or sideways. Never mind.
Just move it away from the window.
Oh yeah. Okay, now it's
I'm
over
gonna-
here.
I'm gonna destroy this part.
It's called demolish.
Where are you?
Harder.
Ah!
Harder. Harder. Harder.
Hey,
Oh, you got some. Okay.
I'm gonna destroy this part.
Oh, you got some of it.
Okay, now I'm just gonna destroy this.
Ah! Don't do it.
What was easy? Probably was destroyed before. Now we have Jake. Let's let Jake have a turn.
Now Jake is gonna destroy this huge
I'm
wall.
actually gonna destroy this part. It's like throwing a baseball, swinging a baseball bat.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh!
Just sneak in there. Sneak that.
Okay, Jake, I'm gonna do it.
Look, I landed on
That's it. It's so close to falling over.
Sage is destroying that part, like right there.
it. Ready?
Oh, you almost went to the house.
You almost hit the real house.
Yeah, jeez. Don't put a hole in the
See,
little house.
just through.
Come right here. Right here.
Okay.
Aim right there. Don't- that-
Yeah, Amber.
That will go through the wall.
Okay.
Okay,
You ready?
ready, Sage? Oh yeah! Just land in this pile of wood.
Okay,
That would be so soft.
This is
Yeah,
soft.
especially soft.
I'm gonna go down, destroy the
Okay, she destroyed it. you bent this.
Guys, it's almost destroyed. I'm just
She's
gonna
like
destroy
choo choo.
this.
Dun 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 dun.
I'm trying to put this glasses.
She's like choo choo. Go forward. No, wait, no, it's the right. Oh, this.
Okay, ready? Okay. I'm just gonna wait. I know what to do. Don't do anything.
Okay.
I know what to do. Sage
What?
knows what to do.
No wait. Oh, I didn't really. Yeah, ninja karate kick.
Ready? I'm karate kid. Oh yeah!
Sage. I wanna break this. Sage, I'm gonna do this.
Okay, now.
Jake is gonna destroy this part.
Fully bent this part.
Oh my!
Okay. 3, 2,
Go, Jake.
1.
Jake. Ready? Go. Okay, that just hit it and fell. So I think we're done for today. This was a really fun video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And now we gotta clean this all up. So let's just say our goodbyes. It was super fun meeting you guys. And so thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe, give a big thumbs up, and comment down below for more videos. So thank you for watching
our
and
very
first video. So, and this was a disaster, a very fun idea, right, Jake?
Yeah.
So, thank you guys for watching. Bye.